Human beings are very aware of the dimensions of the space they are moving through. We have a visual vocabulary. Long, narrow forms encourage us to move, enticing us with the promise of a destination, even if it is unseen. The more narrow and defined a space, the more rapid our movement. To change the pace and encourage people to slow down, garden designers often use a circular or square-shaped area. The even dimensions give it a sense of prominence, as if you have arrived at your destination. The Mary Duke Biddle Rose Garden is just that type of space. The round shape encourages people to reflect on the entire 360 degrees and consider their options. Large or small, your garden can speak well to visitors by using these design techniques.